The best chicken drumsticks and thighs we've ever made, easy and very tasty. We're going to start with 2 chicken drumsticks and thighs. Make these parallel cuts along the meat. This will help the internal cooking and seasoning penetration. For seasoning, we add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and some paprika. Mix well, allowing the seasoning to soak in. Then on the other side we repeat the process. Salt, black pepper, and paprika. Now, prepare a plate with about 100 grams of all-purpose flour, and coat the drumsticks and thighs on all sides. Once done, let's head to the pan where we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add some olive oil to taste and let the butter melt. Once melted, we add the chicken. Let it fry until golden. Once one side is golden, flip it and let it brown on the other side. Now, add 100 milliliters of water, cover, and let it cook over medium heat for 15 minutes. After this time, the water has evaporated, so we'll add another tablespoon of butter and 5 minced garlic cloves. Once the garlic turns golden, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir. Now, let it finish cooking for another 5 minutes. During this time, keep basting the drumsticks and thighs with the sauce. We finish by adding chopped green onions to taste, and it's ready to serve. There you have it, the best drumsticks and thighs. Golden on the outside, juicy on the inside, and with this amazing sauce. Now just serve and enjoy. If you'd like to see a specific recipe, let us know in the comments. And of course, if you like this recipe, leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more delicious tips like this, and don't forget to share it with someone who loves good chicken. See you next time.